You cannot just get on a stage and hope to be able to perform if you haven't prepared an outline. It's quite a simple thing, and people overlook this step because they think, oh, I'm looking for something more interesting. If I was able to remove the anxiety or able to improve my illustrations. Yes, all of that is great, but it starts with a simple outline. How do we then outline what we're going to say? Grab a piece of paper or your notes app, write down the theme of your talk, and then start to research. So we need to break up our talk into 3 sections: the beginning, middle, and end. The beginning is the introduction, where people are introduced to you and that you can grab their attention with an excellent hook. The middle is the meat and potatoes, and the conclusion should summarize everything you've said, but not sound like a summary. You don't want to go, well, in conclusion, because then that is sort of cliché and everybody does that sort of thing. Break it up. It makes it more manageable to write out your outline.